Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BigQuery ML for AI-based anomaly. To enable BigQuery ML for AI-based anomaly detection, start by opening your Google Cloud Console. Sign in to your Google account associated with your Google Cloud project. Ensure that you have the BigQuery API enabled for your project. Navigate to the BigQuery section in the Google Cloud Console. Select the project where you want to enable BigQuery ML. Click on the I am an admin option in the left sidebar. Choose the Service Accounts option from the drop-down menu. Create a new service account if you don't already have one. Grant the service account the BigQuery admin role. Next, access the BigQuery interface from the left navigation panel. Click on the Create Dataset button to create a new dataset. Name your dataset appropriately. Now, you'll need to upload your data into this dataset. Click on Create Table and select the option to upload your file. Follow the prompts to upload your dataset, ensuring the schema is correctly defined. Once your data is uploaded, click on the Explore option to begin analyzing your data. To create a model for anomaly detection, use the BigQuery ML syntax in a query. Start your query with the Create Model command. Specify the model name and the dataset you created earlier. Use the Options clause to set parameters for anomaly detection, such as the model type. In the Select statement, choose the columns from your dataset that you want to include in the analysis. After writing your query, run it to create the model. Once the model is created, use the ml.anomaly_detection function to analyze new data for anomalies. Specify the model name and input data in your query. Run this query to retrieve results that highlight any detected anomalies. Review the results to understand the anomalies in your data. Adjust your model parameters as necessary to improve accuracy. Finally, document your process and results for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.